Hey, what's going on, y'all? Freedom of Financial Fam. So here we go, here we go, here we go. It's another great day. Uh, Join the fintech revolution. Launch your own fintech business now for $1 risk free. I'm telling you, we are on this thing. We're on it. Who's ready to level up right now? If you're ready to level up, I've already pinned the forms. So go ahead and grab the form. I also have some motivational books that's going to enable you to level up with yourself. All right. Avery, Cole Knight, thank you for joining the live. Appreciate you. Appreciate you. I see it look like Doc is on there too. Welcome. Welcome. This is my live for today, Tuesday, the 20th of May, 2025. Let's go. May's almost over. Y'all heard we'll get like Memorial Day weekend coming, so a lot of people are looking to do some stuff, but I'm looking to kind of help you guys figure out exactly how you can level up with yourself, right? Join the Freedom of Financial right now. Apologize for the noise, but it's gonna get you where you need to be from a financial perspective, okay? Join my community, and then once you join on this live, I need you to do me one quick favor. Tap, 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 tap. Tap it, tap it, tap it. Look at the sun. You see that sun that's coming up right now? That sun levels up every day. That sun shows up. That sun is telling you that you could do anything that you want to do. But the question that I have for you right now is, are you ready to join the Freedom of Financial? Are you ready to level up with your finances right now? Or are you just going to sit out there and look at me, okay? More people are coming, so let's go, let's go. Do me one quick favor. I'm going to share this real quick. I'm going to share it to some of my folks that are here, folks that are looking to level up with themselves. I'm gonna share it with people that are gonna help me get the word out. So if you're ready to get the word out, sorry about this noise that I'm hearing, man. People just doing their job, right? They're doing their morning job, which is great. But at the end of the day, sometimes, I may ask you a question. When you're blowing dust, what does that do? What does it do when you blow dust? You're blowing dust around. People, oh, that was awesome. See that bird right there? That bird just dived, and I think it got some fish. All right, so that's awesome. All right, anyway, back to what I was saying. This sun you see right here shows up every day, and it tells people, hey, you can be the best you can. You can level up with yourself. You can say, hey, look, I'm ready to join the Freedom of Financial. With the Freedom of Financial, you get access for 14 days. At the end of that 14 days, you pay $129. And then 30 days after that, you're going to level up with yourself. The link is right there. I think I already pinned the link here also. Again, look at that bird right there. That bird is really good. Again, I'm going to tell you, hey, look, the sun is what I'm focusing on right now. And I've pinned some books that you're going to take advantage of right now if you want to take advantage of them, okay? Those books are motivational books. But let's face it, the economy is not what people think right now. Thank you for sustaining loves. I want you to keep that going. Just like I want you to see this right here, okay? This is a great view. I'm going to do a quick pan around so you see what's going on, where I am. Okay, so you see, right? So let me tell you something about what I've been noticing lately. A lot of people have been complaining about their finances. DS, I appreciate all the likes. Let's keep it going. Monty McFly, let's go, let's go, let's go. Who in the house right now? Who's ready to level up with me? Who's ready to get this thing going berserk? Who's ready to get me to 120,000 likes? Let's go, let's go, let's go. That's my goal for today, 120,000 likes. When I get to 120,000 likes, we're gonna keep it going, okay? Because again, remember this song that I'm telling you about, it shows up every day. It shows up regardless of what's happening. It shows up even though you have right here, there might be some alligators, and I'm out here leveling up for you guys, man. I'm out here saying this is the time to join the Freedom of Financial. The Freedom of Financial is for select individuals that know exactly what they're looking for. Keep it going, keep it going. I need to get to 100,000. They know exactly what they're looking for, and they're looking for somebody that they can help. My goals right now is 100 loves. You see the love sign right there? 100 loves. So, but I'm telling you right now, this is the thing right here that's motivating a lot of people to join the Freedom of Financial. Freedom of Financial gives you 14 days to try to be part of the community. And after that, you pay $129 one-time setup fee. And after the $129, 30 days after that, you're going to be paying only $49, okay? Tell me what business you can sign right now and find out for less than $200. And that's what I'm providing right now with the Freedom of Financial, okay? The links are right there below. So go ahead and tap the link. Tap the link. If you have any questions, you can ask me questions. As a matter of fact, fill out the form. Actually, if you fill out the form, I'm going to tell you exactly why now is the best time to start your own business. Now is the best time to know exactly what's going on. Now is the best time to deliver the promises that you told to your family. You told them you were going to level up. You're going to make money for them. You're going to take care of the house. But now the finances are not looking that great. They're not looking that great, and you're sitting out here worrying about exactly what you're going to do. And I've been telling people that this freedom of financial is the thing they need to do right now. The links are right there, okay? How do you know if we're, let me answer that question. How do you know if we're eligible? Oh, all you got to do is tap in. If you're not eligible and you have bad credit, and that's another question. If you have bad credit, through the Business Credit Academy, we can fix your credit. That's how I'm going to know that everybody's going to be approved. Everybody's going to be eligible to fix their credit. Everybody's going to be eligible to get loans after their credit is fixed. Everybody's going to be eligible to build their business profile to the point where their business is bankable. And when you become bankable, you're going to get good interest rates. What do I mean by good interest rates? It means nobody's going to be selling you high interest rate products. Because you're not bankable, and because you know exactly what your credit profile is, because you know what your business profile is, you're going to be rocking it. You're going to be rocking it. So I hope that answers your question. Okay? I hope that answers your question, Marty McFly. Thank you for the loves too. But hey, the form is right there. Just fill out the form. I'm asking just a little bit of questions. And after you answer that question, I'm going to be reaching out to you with the information you need. Let's go. Let's go. Who's motivated right now? Who's ready to join right now? Type me in the chat. Let me see some me in the chat. And oh, by the way, while you're doing that, I also want to see this loves going. Let's go. Let's get this to be the #1 live right now on TikTok. Let's get it going, because the people need motivation. People need to know exactly how they're going to be living. Do you want to live like this, or you want to be suffering? Do you want to be riding a boat like that? A cruise? Do you want to be, I don't know. But if you ask me, I like this lifestyle. I like this lifestyle. I like to be able to deliver exactly what I want. I like to be able to do what I want to do because I have a good credit, okay? And because you can have a good credit too. Don't just think because you've been denied credit that that's the end of your life. A lot of people feel bad when they're denied credit. And I'm telling you right now, you need to level up with yourself. The reason I'm telling you this right now is because the sun is shining, and the sunrise brings with it motivational aspect. Some of the books that I've pinned right here are designed to help motivate you. Chris Turner, welcome, welcome. Appreciate you. When you join this, do me one quick favor, tap the screen, tap the screen, tap the screen. Also, you can share. When you share is going to let more people come through this so we can have this conversation, because again, this conversation has to be had. The economy is getting bad, and people are sitting around not doing anything. They're thinking this stuff is going to fix itself. It's not going to fix itself. You got to level up with yourself. Level up with yourself just like this sun is showing up right now. Level up. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Level up with yourself. Lane C, thank you for joining. What's going on? Puerto Rico, what's going on? Or is it Cuba? I don't even know. But anyway, tell me where you're from. Adam Bunch, thanks for joining. Everybody's joining right now. Ashanti_alerts is joining. Okay? Myham 2104 is joining. So is so. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Who's feeling motivated by this sunrise right now? Who's feeling like they're ready to tap into the freedom of financial right now? The link is right there. I've posted the link. But while you typing in and filling out the form, let's talk about what it takes to show up every morning. What it takes to be motivated in the morning. And I'm telling you right now, when I look at this sun, it gives me so much motivation. And I want to share that motivation with you. I know you hear me, right? I want to share that motivation with you. And the reason I want to share that motivation with you is to tell you to look at your situation. You may have been disapproved for credit. You may have no cash. A lot of people right now don't have cash. They don't have $500 saved to save themselves, okay? There's no emergency fund. And on top of that, there's a lot of financial illiteracy. People don't understand how finances work. That's what freedom of financial is going to do for you, okay? For $1, again, I'm going to type the code right here that you're going to utilize, okay? In fact, grab something the right way right now. FREEFI. Let's go. Free FI. That is the discount code that I'm going to use to give you the discount so you can get the $14 trial period for $1. And after that, you're going to pay a one-time setup fee of $129. 30 days after that, you're going to be paying $49 going forward. Tell me where you're going to find a $200 business right now that's turnkey and ready to rock, ready to help you fix your credit, ready to help you build a business profile, ready to help you set up your business, ready to help you figure out exactly what you want to do in terms of making your business bankable. Tell me where you can find that right now. I'm talking to you. So fill out the form right there. When you fill out the form, it's going to help you help you. I'm helping you help you, right? So get motivated and ready to rock. Okay, so let's go. Who else is joined? Let's see. MR00177, thank you for joining. Dave Payne 678, thank you. Thomas McDonald is in the house. Let's go. Melinda Williams is go. So is Tony Martin. So everybody is joining right now, and I'm telling them to level up with themselves. But here's the deal: you have to actually do what I'm telling you to do. It requires action. The type of action that's going to be life-changing. The type of action that you need right now to level up with yourself. Don't lie to yourself and thinking you're just watching a sunrise. No, that's not what this is about. This is about leveling it up. Just like this sun shows up every day and it tells you it don't matter what you're doing, don't matter what happened yesterday or the day before, know what's going to happen this weekend. A lot of people were getting ready for Memorial Day weekend, but do you know what that means? Are you financially free to spend any money this time of the year? Are you really financially free? Do you think you have time to go hang out anymore? No, you don't. The best thing you can be doing is level up with yourself and look at your finances and make sure that you get your stuff straight, because it's about to get worse, folks. It's about to get worse. A lot of people are out here thinking about, oh, the price is not going to go down. Oh, I'm not going to lose my job. Oh, don't worry about it. I'm going to be taken care of. Nobody's taking care of you. Spoiler alert, you need to be the person taking care of yourself, okay? You need to be the person leveling up. You need to be joining the Freedom Financial right now. Join the Freedom Financial, and when you do that, I'm going to send you information. The form is filled out right now. As a matter of fact, let me tell you a story. I'm going to tell you this story. Just bear with me, okay? Just be willing to listen to this story that I'm about to share you right now, okay? So here's the story. Okay? Let me show you this, how empowerment through mindset and aspiration can be in everyday life. Okay, so picture this, right? You're sitting down with a friend, okay, and you open up this book, okay? Each chapter is filled when you open it up, okay? And it's inspiring stories that are practical exercises that you can use to spark a conversation with people, okay? Hey, everyone, so are you ready to change the way you think about success? Okay, so grab a copy of the book that I've done. Actually, I put it for $5.99 right now, so you can grab it. I'm having a sale. Okay, so the empowerment through mindset and the aspiration right now. Go ahead and grab it. This is not just a book; it's a game changer for your mind. Okay, so listen up, everybody. We have a limited stock of this empowerment through mindset and aspiration. So get your copy today. Okay, so that's the story I wanted to tell you. Who else is joined? Let's see. Okay, so here's what I'm going to do, right? I'm going to go ahead and back up a little bit, and I will be back to tell you guys more stories about what you need to do. But in the meantime, let me go ahead and pin the contact form.